This time you have an important opponent from the rain country. After all, you have been defeated by him before. When you meet again, what mindset do you bring to the field?
I just feel that whether as an athlete of the Chinese national table tennis team or as the country with the most championships in this competition and with our nationwide training system, like at the World Table Tennis Championships, providing support to us in terms of team, coaches, and athletes.
Sparring partners and various other resources like these have the strongest support behind me.
I feel that there are so many people behind me, hoping for me to win, including so many fans at the venue, and those supporting me in front of the TV, wanting me to win. This feeling of support is indeed very important. For that match of mine, as soon as I got on the court, I could feel that all the energy was with me, the people. Everyone's heart is with me. So you feel fearless and you just want to enjoy this final stage.
When you look back, your performance improved little by little, and your skills improved little by little. Would you say that your mental toughness also gradually grew step by step?
Yes, you absolutely need to go through it. Especially in the Chinese team, when it comes to table tennis, there is no sudden rise to the top. You definitely have to experience the lows before making a comeback.
When you finally locked in on Rain Country and defeated him watching the video, you lifted your head and you smiled for quite a long time. I think you must feel relieved.
Actually, perhaps I don't know about others, but for me, the pressure I face comes more from the world rather than from the team. Everyone's expectations for me might be very high, so when I haven't achieved significant results, they might feel disappointed in that way or criticize me. But when you achieve significant results, you just feel like after the hardships, sweetness finally comes. It's like a movie playing in your mind, and then everything just suddenly turns a new page and it's all over. Deep down you feel proud of yourself, like you're okay, you did it.
The 3 major competitions. You have now won a precious men's singles gold medal at the World Championships, and there are 2 more gold medals waiting for you. Do you have the confidence to step by step bring them all into your grasp?
I don't dare to think about it, but maybe when the competition actually comes, I will think about it again.
Aren't you someone who always wants to excel? Why not consider it?
I'm a very strong-willed person, but I'm not someone who talks tough. I hope to prove myself through actions rather than through slogans. I think such things are too nebulous, and if I can't guarantee something, I don't want to say it.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.